If you have never used matcha powder in a baking recipe before, then this recipe should be the first one on your list. Bake up a delicious treat with this easy and hassle-free matcha loaf cake recipe that is perfectly moist, tender, and rich, full of simple flavors, and only requires a few simple ingredients. To make this matcha loaf cake, you will need 250 grams of self-rising flour, 200 grams of castor sugar, half a cup of olive oil or canola oil, 1 cup of milk, 2 medium eggs, 2 to 3 teaspoons of matcha powder. You can use cheaper culinary-grade matcha powder for baking recipes that will give your cake a unique earthy flavor and an eye-catching green color. And you will still get all the boost and benefits of matcha. Here is how to make it. Preheat the oven to 160 degrees Celsius or 320 degrees Fahrenheit. Place the eggs, sugar, and milk in the mixing bowl and give it a good mix till all the ingredients are well combined. Add matcha powder and give it a good mix till all the powder is well combined. Then add the self-rising flour and carefully mix it till combined. Don't overmix. Cover your loaf pan with parchment paper and pour the cake mixture into the pan. Place the pan in the middle of the oven and bake for about 50 minutes. To check if the cake is ready, use a toothpick or a wooden stick and insert it into the center of your cake. If the stick comes out clean, then the cake is ready. But if there are pieces of raw batter stuck to the stick, then bake it another 5 to 10 minutes and then check it again. Once ready, remove the cake from the oven and let it cool down for 10 minutes before serving. Seriously, this cake is simple, yet so incredibly good. It is moist, tender, and ultimately delicious. I have left the full recipe in the description below this video. Check it out now.